Keisha. You ain't been here in a minute. Long time no see.
I'm paying you to do my hair, not to be trying to be all up in my business.
Excuse you? I was just trying to see how your weekend was going, honey.
I came to a hairstylist, not no therapist.
Okay, honey, I won't say nothing else to your little hand because I see you got an attitude this morning.
You're the one who got the attitude, girl. Just do my hair.
What kind of style you getting done, honey? Because I want to get you out of here.
I want a long, slick back braid ponytail and put me some edges on the side.
All right. Let me just... Is this your bag?
Yup.
Because I know you like to use your own product.
I sure do.
Okay, you brought you some jam. What's this, Keisha?
I want my hair to last for at least 2 months.
This not for hair, though.
It's gonna be for hair today. Just put it in, honey. Don't ask no questions. This swoop ain't low enough. You need to fix it.
I wasn't finished doing it in the first place. Okay?
Well, next time, don't stop until you finish.
Is this low enough?
It looks like you trying to be funny. You got the right one today, sister. Don't get flipped.
Listen, I'm trying to help you. I need to put this on your hair to spray this down, not this. Why do you want this one?
I said I needed to stay 2 months, didn't I?
Girl, I'm asking you one more time. Are you sure you want me to use that stuff?
If you ask me that question one more time, I'ma get up and leave.
Nah, because I'm about to give you what you want, boo. Trust me. First you bring Gorilla Glue.
Mind your
Then
business.
you bring hair that don't really even match your real hair. What next?
What's gonna be next is you not getting paid because you're sitting here yapping, and wasting all my time.
Alright, Keisha, listen. I'm going to give you time to still think about changing your mind with me putting that spray on your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do your braid first, okay?
I only need time to think about if I'm paying you for doing this hairstyle.
Girl, you going to pay me my money, so I ain't even worried about that at all.
Not if it don't look good. I can tell right now my ponytail ain't even smooth.
Girl, you got me messed up. You gonna pay me. And that's on period.
I'm from Georgia where we throw hands if our hair get messed up.
And I'm from 305. I don't care, boo.
Ooh, baby, trust me, you gon' care when your cash app go off with only $3 or $5.
You're not gonna do that, so I'm not worried about it.
And if I look in that mirror and my hair don't look good, you gonna be looking funny in the face.
Okay, Keisha, this is the last time I'm asking. Before we start spraying your hair, do you want me to use my Got to Be spray?
And this my last time asking you, do you want to get paid?
Okay, so I'm putting on your edges. Because after this, it's time for me to, Okay, so you do know this is the last chance before we spray it. Because if you don't like your hair, it's going to be stuck for a while unless I find a solution.
Why are you putting on them gloves?
Because I don't want my hands to get stuck to your head. That's why.
You just being extra and dramatic.
Okay, listen, before you look in this mirror, you was my last customer for the day. I'm on my way to run an errand. If you want me to take you loose, you got to come back tomorrow.
Get these cotton picking antennas out my head immediately, or it's about to be a war.
You wanted me to use... Just a minute. Who is it?
You already know who it is. It's Keisha. These dogs is out here barking. Open this door, girl.
I'm very confused why you coming to my house with an attitude.
Don't be walking up on me with them scissors.
I was going to use these to cut your braid out so we can start in the back.
You ain't cutting nothing. Save my hair.
Okay, fine.
My husband said it looked like I got dropped off by a UFO.
I'm sorry to hear that, but I did warn you about putting the Gorilla Glue in your hair, Keisha.
I demand you get this glue out now.
Your hair is hard as a rock. I'm going to try this acetone first to see if it will help remove it.
Well, one thing for sure, I ain't leaving this cotton picking house until this glue is on my hair.
Okay, girl, hold your head down. So this is where I put the acetone and it's starting to break, but it's like gummy kind of like. So I'm going to use something else.
Get it out of my head now.
Okay, listen, I need you to trust me. This is paint thinner. I promise it's going to work. Another client went through this with crazy glue in her whole head, and it came out.
Stop pressing my forehead.
Girl, I'm trying to help you out. Don't be getting slick with me. Okay, like I said, this happened to a client before. One of my mom's friends. Somebody put crazy glue in her entire middle of her head, and this removed it. Okay, so I have paint thinner in here. I'm just going to stick the first antenna in here. Piece of hair in here.
I will sue you if you don't get this glue out.
So it hasn't even been 5 minutes, and the antenna,
You ain't funny, honey.
piece of hair has been completely taken loose. So now we're getting ready to put it over your whole head, girl.
Okay, don't tell me what you're gonna do. Just do it.
So to make it easier, I'm about to put it in a spray bottle so I can just spray your face. I mean, not your face, but your head.
My face?
Girl, I'm not gonna... Woo, we should have did this outside, girl. This house smells like paint thinner.
I don't care what this house smells like. I just want it out of my head.
I'm gonna put a little bit more because I want to comb it while it's wet.
While it's wet?
Shut up. As you can see, girl, it is...
Do it look like I can see what you're
Do
doing?
you not see this?
No, I don't.
So who you gonna sue? Because you the one... Alright, this whole piece is combed out, so it's this one. Now all we gotta do is focus on... Alright, Keisha, so the paint thinner done ate the Gorilla Glue out. As you can see, I can comb it. You're gonna have to pay extra because we're gonna have to wash it to get the rest of it out. But right now, we're getting ready to cut this rectangle because I'm not gonna take my time taking all this out, okay?
Ooh, I can't believe you cut my ponytail. How much is a wash?
It's gonna be an extra $20.
Good Lord, that's a lot of money.
Do you want me to stop?
No, I don't.
I got other people here to do. You need to realize that and humble yourself. Look at this. It's combing out.
Don't you tell me to humble myself when you the one sprayed all that doggone glue in my hair.
Alright, after this, we about to wash it. And let everybody see how it came out. Alright, I got it all combed out. You lost some hair. Cash out me the money and we'll go on over there and
You
wash it
just
out.
seem to be money hungry all the way around.
Alright, Keisha, your hair is still stiff, but at least all the glue is out, so we just need to wash it. But I need you to take off your chain because I don't want it to turn green.
I ain't no fake baller. Don't play with me.
Excuse me, I was just saying.
Don't just say nothing.
Alright, well, at least take off your glasses. Let me go ahead and cut this water on and get it ready. I'll take them off for you. Let's move this. Alright, here we go.
Splish splash, I need a towel.
Did you pay for a towel?
No, I didn't.
Then no, I'll give you a paper towel.
A paper towel? What?
Shut up, Keisha.
It's the not being a professional for me.
It's the not having money and pay for a towel for me.
It's the being so money hungry. Listen here, honey. Wipe my face again and it's going to be a problem, a big problem.
I got
Get
to wash
those
it.
beads out my face.
Oh, I'm sorry. Jeez, you act like I did it on purpose.
And you don't have to have them beads in my eye.
Next time, don't bring Gorilla Glue to my house.
Have you ever tried to seek help? You got a real problem.
There's nothing wrong with me, honey.
Can I have the paper towel now?
Sure, I'll give you a paper towel.
This
Lord, you
paper
have a
towel
big
seems
mouth.
really thin. I bet it ain't even waterproof.
Okay, this is the last wash right here.
I am disgusted with this soggy paper towel over my face. I'ma make sure I tell Kennedy on
Kennedy ain't
you.
gonna do nothing.
She's gonna do more
Absolutely
than
nothing.
Stop drowning me with that water hose, honey. You need to stop the camp. I know cheap Dollar Tree stuff when I see it.
And I know a cheap customer when I see one. Honestly, you should be happy that I'm even putting conditioner in your hair. Because it felt like sandpaper a while ago.
You spray Gorilla Glue in my hair.
You know, for someone who had antennas earlier when they first came here and looked like they just got off the motherboard, you sure do like to run your mouth a lot,
I
Keisha.
can back it up too, baby. Believe that. You can just do your job that I'm paying you to do.
Not you running your mouth because you want me to spray you.
Honestly, I'm upset about my edges being gone.
Look, I'm going to keep it real, Keisha. You sitting up here with an attitude mad. At least you still got all your hair. Your edges may have came off, but you got all your hair. And all I'm doing is taking out the residue of the glue. You still got all your hair. Come back tomorrow if you want your hair done.
Don't